welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we have another Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of May. I'm very excited. If you are not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling subscription service and they send you 5 pieces of clothing based on the style profile that you fill out that they think you're gonna like. I had the option this month, like I did last month, to pick 5 items out of 10 option items before, and for a lot of people I think still it's a surprise what you get, which is very exciting. But for the last 2 months I have been given the option to choose out of 10 items, the 5 items that I would like to be sent, which is kind of fun. You are charged $20 before the stylist picks the items to send you, and that $20 does get applied towards anything in the box that you choose to keep. If you choose to keep anything in the box, you do pay for the difference between that $20 and whatever the total is. And then if you choose to send everything back, you do lose that $20, but I always find something to keep. They send you all kinds of things in your boxes, so any kind of fashion item basically that you can think of. Belts, scarves, handbags, shoes, pants, shorts, dresses, tops, jackets, all kinds of things. If there's ever anything that you never want to receive or you constantly want to receive in your boxes, you can indicate that in your style profile. I am currently pregnant, so there are a lot of maternity items in my box this month, which I am very excited for. And without further ado, if I forgot anything, I will leave it down in the description box below. But let's get into my actual box. All right, this is what the inside looks like. We have my sack along with my return envelope right here, so shipping is free both ways, and then my style guide and pricing guide right here. So we'll put that right there, and we have all of my items. Here's what we're working with. We've got some cool patterns in here. So on top we have a shirt. Ooh, this is very, very soft. If I'm not mistaken, this is a maternity shirt. Yes, it is. We've got the ruching or whatever that's called on the sides. It's a nice striped top. I feel like I could wear this a lot. I like the color. I like stripes. I like that it will accommodate my growing stomach. I'm excited about this, excited to try this on. Ooh, next is a dress. I think that I got 2 dresses in this box. This is the first one. Both of them can accommodate a larger stomach, so that's great. Ooh, this one I was, I think, really excited about. So here's the top right here, and then it's got a nice little bow. This will be easier to see when it's on me. Does it have a slit at all? Doesn't look like it. It looks kind of long, so that'll be interesting to see how it falls. I'm a pretty short lady, so we'll see. Oh, I totally skipped over the name of this one. So this first one that I pulled out is by Full Moon. It is the Peppy Maternity V-neck knit top, green, size medium. And then this dress, it is the Rika Maternity midi dress, black, size medium. So I am pretty excited about this. I really like the pattern. And then I think this is the other dress. It's another nice striped material. I think this is another maternity one. This one's interesting. Let's see. I think that's, yeah, that's the front right there. Oh, this one does have a slit, so that's fun. Again, it looks a little long, so we'll see how it fits. This is by the brand Full Moon. It is the Windolin Maternity Knit Maxi Dress, navy, size medium. I'm a little less excited about this one, but who knows? This might fit like a glove. Ooh, next, ooh, I remember this one. I had forgotten, but now I remember. This is a tank, maternity tank. I don't have any of these yet. So this has got nice crossing on the back. It's just a gray tank with the maternity, pregnancy, I'm gonna call it ruching, that might be wrong, on the sides. Very soft material. This is the, oh, this is another one by Full Moon. I wonder if that's a maternity specific brand. This is the Sophie Maternity back detail knit top, gray, size medium. And finally, oh, these are pants? I thought these were like a legging material. They're not, they're shorts. I'm even more excited. I'm so stoked. I'm a little nervous. We'll see. I got some maternity shorts. Ooh, okay. They're black. They're all black, which is perfectly fine with me. You can see it, they've got the nice maternity belly band right here. Do they have, oh, it's not a real pocket. It's not a real pocket on the front, which is kind of a bummer, but we do have the pocket in the back, so at least there's that. These are by the brand Just USA. These are the Claren Maternity Frey Hem Short, size 6. I've gotten a pair of black pants before that have this smell. It's They almost smell like burnt a little bit for some reason. I don't know. I'm excited to try these on. I am gonna be super pregnant in the summertime and could definitely use a pair of nice maternity shorts. So we'll see. Okay, so those are all of my items. Let me pull out my style guide real fast. In my style guide, we'll have how to style each of the items that they've sent me. And then I also have a note from my stylist. It looks like my stylist has changed again. So I don't think last time I had Alexis, but this time I have Alexis. Okay, I am pretty excited. I'm always excited. All right, next we have the least exciting part of the whole journey, and that is the pricing guide. So let's see how much everything costs. Okay. I'm not outraged. That's good. Let's talk about the shorts first, since they are on top of my pile. These are $48, so a little pricey, but if they fit perfectly, I will definitely spend the money. Next, we have the gray tank. This is $34. Again, a little bit pricey for just a tank top. But again, okay, I'm just gonna blanket statement. If something fits like a glove, I'm all about that, so we'll see. Next, the striped dress. This is the Windolin. This is $54, okay. The dress that I like the most, which is the next one, is a little bit more expensive. I think it's, yeah, the most expensive thing in the box. So that's a bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So this was $54. The next dress, this one right here, I really like this one, is $58. So we'll see. I'm really excited about this. If it fits really good, I could definitely see myself keeping this, but we'll see. And then finally, the last piece, the first piece we pulled out of the box. I actually don't remember what this is. What is this? This is the cheapest thing in the box at $28. All of these items I'm pleased with so far. Will I keep them all? Hopefully not, but I could use some new maternity items because my closet is slimming quickly. Let's try all of these on, get an idea of how they fit, and then decide what we want to keep and what we want to send back. Okay, so I have got the one of the tops, the striped short sleeve one, and the shorts on. Off the bat, I'm pretty pleased with both. I really like the shorts. They're very comfortable. I like that they're like a little bit longer. Got a pocket for my insulin pump. Usually I like them in the front, but it's not a big deal if I have to put it in the back. I like these. I do really like these shorts. I definitely think I might keep these. I like that they're black. Will they get kind of hot? Probably. I could see this top and the material of this top getting a little warm. For some reason, it's kind of like a nylon material, but it feels a little bit thick. It is cute though, I do like it. I wouldn't be mad about keeping either of these. Definitely the shorts though, because I think that I would wear the crap out of these already. It's very hot outside here where I live. So I think that I would get a lot of use out of these. The shirt I like, so we'll see how everything else fits. And it is the cheapest thing in the box, so wow. This just like really accentuates. I'm about 19 weeks. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, so we're almost halfway there and it sure looks that way, huh? All right, so I went ahead and threw on the tank, and I don't think this looks flattering at all. Not a fan of this. I like the other shirt way better. I think it looks way cuter than this. It's just something about the top that just looks very unflattering to me. So the back is okay. I like this crossing right here, but this is a no-go. All right, let me try on the two dresses. We'll try on the one I'm lesser excited about first, and then the one I'm most excited about second. So, okay, let me just look at it first. I don't hate. I want to say I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I don't think you'll be able to see the bottom of it, but it's a little bit too long, which is something I'm used to because I'm a pretty short person, but because of that, I will not be keeping this. So this one's a no-go, which is fine because it's the second one that I'm more excited about. I'm still worried that the second one's gonna be too long also, but let's find out. Okay, all right, let's see. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I don't know what it is with the top that just looks a little bit weird. Is it that it's too tight? The back is just a simple straight back. The front is a nice V. It's definitely short enough so it doesn't hang at my ankles, which is kind of nice. This was the most expensive thing in the box, and because I'm not in love with it, I don't feel like I really want to keep it, which is kind of a bummer. The pattern's really cute. It's a really nice material. I'm just not in love with it, and especially not for $58. Let me put my regular clothes back on, and then let's sit down for some final wrap-up thoughts and what items I think I'm going to keep and which items I think I'm going to send back. Okay, so final wrap-up thoughts. Both of the dresses, unfortunately, are going to go back. Neither one of them really fit me well, and especially not for how much they were. If it was something I loved, I would have spent the money on it, but they definitely weren't something that I loved. Same with the tank top. Didn't love the way that it looked on me. Not gonna spend the money on it. I would like some maternity tank tops. However, the first outfit I tried on, the shorts first and foremost, I think I'll get a lot of use out of these. I already can't fit into like any of the shorts that I currently own, and it's only getting hotter here in Southern Oregon, so I think that I'm gonna wear these a lot. And then I did really like the way that this shirt fit. I thought that it looked really cute. I was kind of worried about the heat, but I do kind of just sit inside all day and I work from home, so I feel like it won't be an issue. And I did think that it looked really cute, especially with the bump, and the combo looked really cute together. So the black shorts and the blue-green striped shirt. So I think I might keep this too. You'll have to let me know what you would keep and what you would send back out of this box. I think I want to keep both of these. If you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, you can use my link down below and get $25 off of your first box. That $25 does go towards the styling fee, which then goes towards anything you choose to keep from your first box. So it's kind of like a free $25 to your first box of Stitch Fix, which is kind of exciting. I also get $25 if you use my code, so a big huge thank you to anybody who uses my code to sign up. It helps me out a lot. I do have a little bit of credits today that I can use towards these items, so huge thank you to anybody who has signed up previously using my code. Again, if you want any more information about Stitch Fix, I will leave it down in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss future Stitch Fix unboxings from me, don't forget to subscribe. All of those buttons are right down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.